Good morning, dear students. This is class 1 computer. Lesson 1, a computer is a machine. Now, in this video, we will move further, but before moving further, we will revise all that we have studied in the previous video, that is human-made things and natural things. Now, children, tell me, what are human-made things? Things that are made by man are called human-made things. Example, pressure cooker, bag, car, fan. Natural things, things that are found in nature are called natural things. Example, bird, flower, sun, trees. Okay, now I have also given you 5 words to learn in the previous video, that is computer, machine, humans, naturals and things. I have also given you one small homework. I think all of you have done that homework. Okay, very good, children. Now in this video we will move further. How machines help us. How machines help us. In the last video we have done up till here. Now today's video we will start from here. How machines help us. Before starting this video, just see this, children. What is machine? What is machine? A machine is a thing that is made by man to make our work easier and faster. Children, machine is a thing. It can be anything. That it can be television, it can be fan, it can be cooler, it can be mixer or computer. A machine is a thing that is made by man to make our work easier and faster. Machine is a thing that is made by man. Means it is made by humans that makes our work easier and faster. Examples also I have written here, that is fan, washing machine and calculator, etc. means many more things. Come back to the lesson. How machines help us. Children, machines help us in many ways. First one, machines make our work easy. Machines make our work easy. Now children, when we stitch our cloth with our hand, it is very difficult. Whereas when we use the machine to stitch our clothes, it is very easy. Clear? When we stitch clothes, when we are using sewing machine to stitch our clothes, it is very easy to complete our work. Second point is, machines help us to do our work faster. Now, when we cook food in steel pot, it takes time, children. It takes time. Whereas at the place of steel pot, when we are using pressure cooker, at the place of steel pot, when we are using pressure cooker, it cooks our food quickly. So machines help us to do our work faster. Third point, machines help us to save time. Machines help us to save time. Now children, machines help us to save time also. How? When we wash our clothes with our hand, we are using our hand. It takes time. It takes lot of time, children. Whereas at the place of our hands, when we are using washing machine, we can wash our clothes quickly. Washing machine washes our clothes very quickly and it saves our time. So 3 points you have to revise, that is, machines make our work easy. Machines help us to do our work faster and machines help us to save time. Come down. Some machines need electricity to work, some do not. Machines such as washing machines and refrigerators need electricity to work. Machines such as calculator and hammers do not need electricity to work. Now children, some machines runs on electricity. How? Like television. If you want to watch television, how you will watch, children? It needs electricity. Television, washing machine, refrigerator, mixer grinder, cooler, all these machines need electricity to work, whereas some machines like nail cutters, cycle, calculators, hammers, they don't need electricity to work. Here our example is given. Check your progress. Color the circle pink for the machines that need electricity to work. Now children, this exercise I have done. You have to do it. First one is fan. First one is fan. Fan needs electricity to work. So you will color this with pink color. Oven. Oven also need electricity to work. Color it with pink. The circle you have to color with pink. Next one is nail cutter. Nail cutter is a machine, but it does not need any electricity to work, whereas cycle also, it does not need electricity to work. Mixer grinder, children, it needs electricity to work. So fan, oven and mixer, you have to color the circle with pink color. Next page. Now children, a computer is a wonderful machine. Now computer is also a machine. This now you will study. Now we have come to the main point. A computer is also a machine. Few qualities of computer is given here. First one is it works very fast. Children, computer works very fast. If we are calculating 2 plus 2, we will calculate on our hand. Children, you will calculate on your hand. But computer can do it quickly within a second. It works very fast. And it also saves our time. Computer also saves our time. It does not get tired or bored. Now children, computer does not get tired, whereas if we will work for 3 hours, 4 hours, we will get tired, but computer does not get tired. Next point, it can do many things at the same time. Children, computer can do many things at the same time. That is, if you are making a drawing on the computer, same time you can listen music also, same time you can do some typing also. So many things can be done on computer at a same time. Next point, it can remember many things. It can remember many things. Children, computer can remember many things. You can store many things inside the computer. It does not make mistakes. Now suppose I told you, as I have told you, if you are calculating 2 plus 2 on your fingers, you can make mistake. Whereas if you are calculating with the help of the computer, it will not make any mistake. So these 6 points, these are very important. These are the qualities of the computer. First one again I'll read for you. It works very fast. It saves our time. It does not get tired or bored. It can do many things at the same time. It can remember many things. It does not make mistakes. Read it. Read it, children. It is important. Come on the next page. Types of computer. Types of computer. There are 2 types of computer. First one is desktop computer and second one is laptop. First one is desktop computer and second one is laptop. Desktop computer, as you can see in the picture, it has the monitor, keyboard, mouse and the CPU. All 4 things are kept together, so you have to keep it at one place. You cannot carry it everywhere wherever you want to go. Children, it is fixed at one place. It is kept at one place because see how many things are there. There are 4 things are there, that is monitor, keyboard, mouse and CPU. Whereas this is laptop. Laptop is like a book. You open it and you close it. You open it and do your work, then you close it, shut it down and you do it. So this is laptop. So carrying a laptop is very easy. Carrying a laptop is very easy, whereas desktop computer, you cannot carry it everywhere. Desktop computer, you cannot carry it everywhere. Next, tablets and mobile phones are also computers. Remember, tablets and mobile phones that you use, that is also a computer. So in this video, we will do up till here only, children. Only you have to read this lesson and you have to complete your lesson up till here. No homework in this lesson now. Whatever I have given you, only you do that much. This exercise you do and you do the reading whatever I have read today in this video. Clear, children? Okay, thank you very much.